Hi everyone, this is Yatish, Six Sigma data analyst and a 5S consultant. You might have already watched a lot of videos about 5S. So today we are not going to talk anything about what is 5S. Instead, we are going to clear some common misconceptions that everybody has about 5S. We at Agam have a decade of experience in implementing 5S for a variety of customers. In this 10 years of travel, we often come across the following three very big misconceptions about 5S. Number one, 5S is only for engineering industry. We often hear people say, we are not an engineering industry, so we don't need 5S. This is one of the largest misconceptions about 5S. We are continuously approached by a variety of customers for implementing 5S. Our customers vary from a plant nursery to an automobile manufacturing industry, from a poultry to a photo studio, from garments to NGOs. The list is endless. So, it is not only for engineering industry. Any organization that handles material needs 5S. Number two, 5S is just about housekeeping. Another comment we often hear is 5S is about cleaning materials. Trust me, it is something more than that. Stickers and floor markings are a part of visual 5S. We at Agam go beyond that. By clubbing 7 waste concept with 5S, we are able to fetch out measurable results. Measurable 5S is where things start to get interesting. This is where surprises are. In your company, you will be able to measure the direct impact in productivity and quality through 5S. Can 5S be measurable? Absolutely yes. It is not just housekeeping. The third one, and another very big misconception about 5S. The workforce needs to be highly skilled and technically sound to implement 5S. Another very big misconception. Okay, let's be honest. In our initial days, we too faced this challenge: how to incorporate a lean tool like 5S among a team of unskilled or non technical workforce. This is where soft skills came in handy for us. We have designed 50 plus soft skills modules through which we are able to successfully instill self realization among every individual. Once we are able to infuse self realization, the rest will take care of itself. Implementing a lean tool, reducing rejections, increasing productivity are all just byproducts of a workforce with a strong sense of self realization. So, skills and technical knowledge are not prerequisites for 5S, but self realization is. So, I hope everyone is now clear that any industry needs 5S. Thanks for watching the video.